Alright folks, I'm going to introduce you first of all to your assignment 1 of data modeling. I'm going to talk through the scenario here before I actually get into the work, okay? So, this is data modeling. First thing you're going to do is investigate data modeling, how it can be used in the decision making process. So, your scenario, Earn Specialist Teas is a small company which supplies specialist teas and associated wares with a number of small independent retail outlets throughout the UK. Among the products they supply is a range of wellness and detox teas imported from Europe. Okay, so this company buys in these specialist and detox teas, and then they supply them to other companies and retail outlets throughout the UK. So like the middle person. So they buy it in bulk from around Europe and then sell it then on to other companies within the UK. In buying the teas from Europe, the company faced several challenges due to the currency exchange rate fluctuations. The teas are purchased by the companies in euro and sold on their customers in pounds sterling. So what happens is this company, Earn Specialist Teas, buys in the bulk tea and they buy it in euros because they're buying it from Europe. But then when they're selling it on to the other independent shops throughout the UK, they sell them on as pounds. So as you know, the pound to euro fluctuation in the exchange rate can change a hell of a lot over a 24-hour period, never mind a week or a month. The other challenge arises because of variations in economic growth. The teas are fairly expensive and sell better when economic growth is good and less well in this pair. So I see, whenever the economy in the UK is doing well, then they'll sell loads of these teas because the teas are that little bit more expensive. They're not your average tea bags. They're specialist teas, healthy teas, detox teas. However, when the economic climate is poor in the UK, well then what happens is they don't sell as much because people just can't afford them. You've been asked to design and create a spreadsheet model which can predict the potential impact of exchange rate fluctuations on the company's profits. Now this bit is assignment 2, so don't be worrying about that yet. However, before you start work on developing the model, the managers in the company who do not have an IT background would like you to provide them with a presentation or report on the ways in which spreadsheet models can be used to support decision making. You're going to do a report. Alright? So we're going to create a report which provides an evaluation of ways in which the spreadsheet models can be used to predict the outcome of different situations. Okay? We need to make sure we cover the typical stages involved in the decision-making process and how the advanced features and function spreadsheets can be used to support these stages. So watch this video a few times, folks, and take wee notes what we're doing. The company Earn Specialist Teas. They buy in bulk these detox and healthy teas from Europe, and then they sell them individually to the different wee shops and that around the UK. They buy the bulk teas in euro, so they pay euro because they're buying it from Europe. But when they sell it on to the other wee companies that are in the UK, they sell it in pounds sterling. Okay? The difficult bit is because the euro exchange rate to the euro to pound changes so often, sometimes the euro is strong, sometimes it's poor. And also depends if the economic climate is good in the UK, well they'll sell loads of teas because people's got money. If the economic climate is low in the UK, well, they won't sell as much. People are a wee bit more tight for money, and therefore they don't buy as many of these specialist teas.